Welcome to English in 5 minutes. Many of my students ask me how I got 8.5 in my first attempt in IELTS reading. So I decided to make a series of videos for IELTS reading. In this video we will discuss the true, false and not given type questions of the IELTS test. So let's get started. The right strategy to solve this type of questions is to read the statement and the questions carefully and pay attention to qualifying words like always, usually, all, most, none of, and so on. If the statement in the passage and the question match with each other, it is true. If they clearly disagree with each other, it is false. However, if you can't find the necessary information in the passage, then the answer is not given. In this short mock test, we will first read a paragraph and then read all the questions. We will answer as many questions as we can and move on to the next paragraph and read all the unsolved questions and so on. Let's start our short mock test. This passage is taken from the Cambridge General Training Book 14, Test 2. Read the first paragraph and see how many questions can you answer. Pause the video and read the paragraph. I will tell you the answers after you attempt these questions. So, as you must have seen, there were no answers in the first paragraph. Let's read the second paragraph now. Pause the video and read it. Ready? There are answers to the first two questions in this paragraph, and both of them are false. The first one is false because the question says that walking football became popular because of a TV program featuring a club, while the passage says that it was a TV commercial for a bank. So this is false. The next question is also false because the passage says that there is no man in the netball, while the question says otherwise. Read the next paragraph and see if you can find any answers. Pause the video now. Ready? The answer to the third question is not given because the question says that clubs arrange social activities for members, while the passage mentions nothing about clubs, and what it does say about social gathering, it is that it was an aim of the games, so it is not given. Pause the video and read the next paragraph. Ready? We can see that the answer to the fifth question lies in this paragraph, and it is true. Both the question and the passage say that those people who haven't played the standard sport before can play it. Read this paragraph and answer the remaining questions. Pause the video now if you want to. Ready? There is nothing about regular testing of players or measuring their fitness levels. Therefore, the answer to question number 4 is not given. The final two questions, however, are true. Question 6 agrees with the statement in the passage since the passage says that you don't have to come regularly at the same time each week. The last question also matches with the statement. Both the question and the statement talk about the team's intention to start a club in the future. This was the first video in a series of videos for IELTS reading. Keep watching English in 5 minutes to learn more about English and IELTS reading in such short videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.